Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So if you are not on Telegram, I will advise you to actually open a Telegram channel and follow us on Telegram. You will find the link because there we are putting out trade. We are actually trying to take a trade once the market opens or once it has get into our level. We would love to take a trade. So if you are interested in taking the trade with us, which is absolutely free, it is completely free, then go to the comment section, click on the link to the Telegram channel and follow us. You will get analysis on that trade we are looking out for. Now let's take a look at this gold. Let me start it with the beginning. Guys, if you have been following this channel consistently, you would have seen that we've predicted this move by move, right? As it was moving, we actually predict it. Now, at first, I predicted that, I told you guys that we would be heading straight to level of 1810, right? Gold must drop to a level of 1810, which I literally told you guys, and guess what? It got to that level. After it got to that level, I literally told you guys that there will be a massive bullish move on gold. Guess what happened? Gold eventually gave us this massive bullish move, and this is it. Now, gold was supposed to give us a drop here, no doubt, right? But if you have been following this news lately, you would understand why gold literally starts pushing up from here. I mean, due to this Israel Gaza war, right? During the time that Gaza attacked Israel and every other thing, we all know that once there's a major crisis like this, then you will see safe haven assets start going up. Safe haven assets like Swiss franc, start going up. Safe haven assets like US, the dollar itself will go up. And gold is also one of those safe haven assets, right? So gold as if I eventually be going bullish. So that is what has happened. I told you guys that it will head to a level of 1981. This is why I highlighted this level. So I still have this level, by the way. It has gotten to a level of 1981. Now, what does price did here? What did price do around this level? It eventually broke above it, then came back and gave us a pullback. Now, guys, if you actually watched my weekly analysis on gold, I told you guys, right? If you've not watched it, go back to go and watch it. I told you guys that as gold has gotten to this major level, there will be a reaction. There's no two ways about it. That is good for you. Once gold gets to a major level, there must be a reaction, no matter what it is, no matter you want to do, there will be a reaction. And that reaction at this level we're talking about is a pullback. Gold has given us a pullback. Guess what now gold is doing? Gold is now giving us a new higher high. So basically, we will be expecting more upward movement on gold to take out this previous highs. This is the previous highs on gold. You can see this week candlestick wick sticking out. This is the previous highs, right? So more upward movements on gold. So probably by next week, maybe tomorrow that we are doing this analysis for, which is Friday, which is the last of the week. If gold does not give us that new higher highs, then we should expect some new higher highs by next week. So last day of the week, I don't know if there will be much movement, but be very, very careful. Trading on Friday, I probably be careful about trading on Friday or stay away from trading. But by next week, we should see gold give us a new higher high. So more upward movements on gold for us. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section.